Hey everybody, Uneducated Economist here. Thought I'd come out here this afternoon and do the video. I was going to do it this morning, but I thought I better hold out just a little bit to find out what's going on with the Dow. Now the Dow opened up, got up to about 300 points up this morning, and then by the time I took lunch at noon, it had dropped down 200 points low. So there was like a 500-point move there today, guys. Right now sitting 200 points down. This is October 29th, 2018. Got an email from one of my vendors a while back. I thought I would read a little section out of it here towards you. It's quite telling on what's going to be happening here with building supplies, because this isn't the only one. This one is referring to an exterior door company that the vendor uses to ship us exterior doors. Despite our efforts, the magnitude of inflationary pressures caused by the regulatory actions, tariffs, transportation costs, and tightening labor market, along with the recent price increases announcements by our primary interior door supplier, making it necessary to announce an average of 7 to 10% increase on all door products effective December 15, 2018. And this isn't the only one I got. I got another one from another door company, and this one says, due to President Trump's most recent rounds of retaliatory tariffs that went into effect yesterday, this particular door company has no choice but to pass the increase on to our customers. Effective immediately, we are implementing a 10% increase on all our orders. We are working on other solutions and are working towards minimizing the impact of the next increase, January 1st, 2019. Right? So, yeah, and what does it say here? In accordance with the direction of President Trump, additional tariffs will be effective starting, December or September 24th. So this is kind of an older email, but the important part is here. And initially will be an amount of 10%. Starting January 1st, 2017, the level of additional tariffs will increase to 25%. So we got hit with the 10% tariff. Now we're going to get hit with the 25 at the beginning of the year. All right, and I got the email right here to prove it. So anyway, this side I'll give you that little bit of information. So I don't think there's going to be any slowdown in any of that. Thought I would give you some more charts. I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you some of the charts that I come across. Now, keep in mind, everybody knows that there's cycles to markets and stuff like that. I don't really know a whole lot about stock market. I couldn't tell you about charts and PE ratios and stuff like that. I mean, there's more people out there who can tell you a whole lot more about that. I just know that you want to be in the stock market when times are good, and you want to be out of it when times are bad, right? And it's hard to say, like, just over the course of a year, because there's cycles. Like, I mean, is this a good year, bad year? Do you really want to be in or out of the market? And so what I did is I took a shot, and this is one of my vendors that I use, and I'm debating on whether or not I should give you the names of them, because I don't want to be like, hey, buy or don't buy these stocks. I just want to show you what the information is. So I'm going to cover up who this actually is, and just kind of give you the graph here, all right? And so you can see right there, right? And you can see how, like, we've busted the trend line. And this is a pretty old chart. I mean, this goes back, what, to 2009? And so you can see right there that, oops, how am I doing? There we go. Right? And you can see right there how we busted that trend line. Yeah. Like I said, guys, I'm no expert on this stuff by any means. I'm just, I just look at these things. It's just like, hey, these are one of the vendors. I know they're close to me. I look at what I'm close to, and this is what I'm seeing. Here's another one of my vendors, right there at the edge. You see that trend line? This goes back, what, 5 years? So they're just about ready to cross that trend line. Where's another one here? Hold on. I think I got another one. Yeah, here's one more. I drew two lines on this one. The ink line is the one that I think is probably the more accurate one to follow, just because the prices kind of bounced off of that ink line. But then there's also a highlighted marker line. And you can see by the highlighted marker one that we have busted the highlighted marker, and pretty close to busting the ink one as well. But anyway, that's the trend. So, yeah, they're bouncing either to come down and touch those trend lines, or they're about ready to break them, or they have broken them. And then, anyway, this is the door company that I was just referring to, who's going to get the increase. Not the second door, but the first email that I read to you. This is their chart right here. So, yeah, guys. I don't think there's good news in the future. I think we got 3 months of some wishy-washy stuff happening, and then I think it's going to hit the fan. Especially if these 25% increases are going to kick in. That's not on like all products or anything. That was just on one particular vendor who said 25%. But I mean, if that's even remotely accurate to what's going to happen with the rest of the stuff, I mean, man, that's scary. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Uneducated economist. Talk to y'all later.